Guys, every trade I take is a reminder. You don't need to overcomplicate trading. My strategy keeps it straight to the point, and that's why it works. So don't listen to those telling you to use like 10 indicators, mix 20 strategies together, and try hundreds of chart patterns and price actions. The trick is the discipline. Stick to the rules, follow the strategy, and don't let emotions get involved. Yeah, so if you want to learn my strategy, the first episode is free at learnthestrategy.com/free. Link in the description or in the bio.